This is Motorola Moto G42, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you want to launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can launch the app and set the Opera up. So here you want to tap on the blue continue button, choose whether some of the options will be enabled or disabled. And finally, there is the page that allows you to either customize the permissions and accesses that you are going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.